This is the VR motorcycle template for Unreal Engine 5.8, a quest-ready, physics-driven motorcycle system built on chaos. Tracked hands request steering and rider lean, while suspension, tire forces, counter-steering, braking, balance assistance, and a 6-speed automatic powertrain create the motion you feel on the road.
Now let's get it running. Copy the VR Motorcycle Template plugin into your project's Plugins folder. Regenerate the project files if needed, build the project, and confirm that the plugin is enabled. In the Content Browser settings, turn on Show Plugin Content. Then open the included road physics test map. This 3-kilometer circuit contains collision, curves, obstacles, and 10 ramps, so it gives you a fast way to check the complete riding system. For the first test, use VR Preview with your headset and controllers active. Grip both handlebars before applying throttle. On the left controller, the trigger controls the front brake and the A button starts recovery. On the right controller, the trigger controls throttle, the B button applies the rear brake, and the right stick can adjust the view. The supplied control plate in the documentation gives you the complete quest layout at a glance. Most basic handling changes live in one place. DA Motorcycle Behavior Main. Start with small adjustments to steering response, engine torque, braking strength, suspension, or balance assistance. Stop play mode, change one value, restart the test, and compare the result. The motorcycle pawn is the core playable actor, while IMC Motorcycle contains the input mappings. That makes it straightforward to remap controls without rewriting the riding system. The template is organized around 4 main assets. BP Motorcycle Pawn is the core rider and motorcycle actor. DA Motorcycle Behavior Main contains the primary tuning values. BP Motorcycle Behavior Default contains the advanced behavior implementation. And WBP Motorcycle Dashboard controls the speed, gear, RPM, and status display. You can also replace the motorcycle mesh, keep the supplied skeleton, or follow the documented new skeleton workflow to align the body, wheels, and handlebars. When a change is ready, test it in the road physics test map, then package for Android using the ASTC texture format. The template includes native-backed dashboard logic, procedural riding audio, telemetry, recovery, traction control, ABS, and airborne pitch protection. Actual quest gameplay is the final check. Grip the bars, accelerate, brake, lean, recover, and confirm that your tuned motorcycle behaves consistently around the circuit. You can try the template before integrating it. The project page includes a downloadable Quest 3 demo APK, along with written user and developer guides. The developer guide covers installation, controls, tuning, architecture, mesh replacement, the demo road, troubleshooting, and production checks. Open it beside Unreal whenever you need the exact asset path or recommended setup. Download the demo, read the guides, open Road Physics Test, and start riding. VR Motorcycle Template for Unreal Engine 5.8.